This screwdriver tip is a full 24 inches long. It fits a slotted screw. It's just like the little ones, but this is a full 2 foot long. You can stick it in your screwdriver. Just stick it right in your screwdriver. Have a long screwdriver, 24 inch. Or, if you'd rather, you can put it into your power screwdriver. It'll go in power screwdriver either. Then you can have a long 24 inch power screwdriver. Full 24 inches long. And this is a good one. This one is hard steel. It's hard steel. It fits all your screwdriver stuff. Give you a long screwdriver tip for any of your screwdrivers.